Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing for the month of March. This is a snack food subscription. It's really cheap and affordable, and the tasting is a smaller box, but they do have a deluxe box that is a little bit bigger. I'll leave all that information below, plus a promo code in case you're interested. That's a spring tasting box. Right on top I see brownie brittle. I love this stuff. If you guys have never had this, you should try it. It's delicious. This is the salted caramel kind, and they do sell this at Target. Absolutely delicious. Next up, I have a lemon snackaroon grab and go coconut snacks for the whole family by Laughing Giraffe Organics. Awesome. I love lemon flavored stuff, so I'm sure that's good. Also have Jolly Oak Super Grain Oat Crunchers. No high fructose corn syrup, organic, dairy-free, baked with coconut oil. That sounds interesting. And I see some ginger chews. These are really good, and this has orange flavor in it. If you like ginger, those are really yummy. Nutter Puffs. Puff snack with real peanut butter. Oh, wow. That kind of reminds me of like peanut butter cereal. So I wonder how that tastes. 5 grams of protein, 130 calories per bag, gluten-free. I'm excited for that. That looks good. And a few other things. Ooh, another lemon flavored item. This is plant-fueled protein bar. Zesty lemon, 190 calories, 12 grams of protein, non-GMO. This is a pretty good box so far this month. And then we have lacquer crispy cocoa wafers with delicate milk cream filling. #1 in Italy. Also sounds really good. And then at the bottom they always put like little promo codes, and sometimes there's coupons or some of the stuff in the box, a HelloFresh one. All sorts of stuff. That should be it. Yep. So what I will do is put a playlist below in case you want to see other ideas of snacks. They're normally, you know, organic, sometimes gluten-free, fairly healthy or better for you snacks. So I will link all the information below in case you're interested in ordering a box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.